Are you guys struggling with renovating your home? Well, then I guess today's episode is for you. Yes, in today's episode, we're going to show you the 6 latest innovations that are going to help you out in home renovation. Number 6. Smart light bulbs. Lighting a house has grown more customizable and exciting than ever before, with millions of shades offered in a single smart bulb and unlimited settings available via an app. This is why we included them, to guarantee that you have the best lighting possible during a restoration project. This will be as smart and gorgeous as the rooms designed by professional designers. When it involves decorating your house, lighting is sometimes ignored in favor of items such as furniture, artwork, or paint. However, this is changing. Lighting is the new home jewelry, where once there was utility, there is now fashion. Yes, these lights play an important role in the transformation, with improved design, diversity, and flexibility in everything from streamlined glass lamps to sculptural pendant lights. But these days, bulbs and switches are, if not more modern, and provide some excellent chances for personalizing your house. When upgrading to a smart home, the first thing to consider is that these light bulbs should be customized and fitted to your unique needs. When linked with your house's voice assistant, all the lights in your home can turn on precisely as you want them to, and when you want them to, with the click of an app, the flip of a switch, or a spoken order. These pre-programmed settings are called lighting scenes, and the number of customizable schemes you may generate is limitless. Trust me, you're going to love this. You may have one bright scene in the kitchen for dinner prep and another softer one for eating. You may have bright white illumination for cleaning in the TV room or dim lighting for a movie night. Getting it? Number 5. Home security cameras. Home security cameras are equipment that can assist you in monitoring and protecting your property. They can record videos of your house and property, which you may view on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. What's more, guess what? Most home security cameras nowadays are motion activated and begin recording when they detect motion. The fact that a home security camera may assist your peace of mind is one of the finest and most obvious reasons to invest in one. If something were to happen, having a home security camera may help you capture key facts, such as a license plate number, which could make it simpler for law authorities to catch the culprit. However, whether or not you require a home security camera for your house is based on the level of security you desire. Let me give you something that's helpful in this niche. Video doorbell cameras. Yes, these are damn good. This one replaces your standard doorbell with a one that includes a camera. The camera begins recording whenever it senses motion or when the doorbell is pressed. Some video doorbell cameras have two-way audio that may be sent to your smartphone or smart speaker. If you don't answer the doorbell, video doorbells can record exchanges for later review. They are typically rather simple to install, especially for experienced DIYers. Some require batteries, although in most situations, they may be hardwired. Anyways, this is just one of those cams, but there are more of these out there, and maybe we should do a specialized episode on it next time. What do you guys think? Number 4. Smart thermostat. For more than a decade, smart thermostats have been readily available, and the point of view is clear. Yes, smart thermostats may be a sensible improvement for many heating and cooling systems, lowering your power expenses while keeping your house pleasant. Normally, we consider a thermostat to be smart if it can connect to Wi-Fi, basically to a smart home-specific wireless protocol. These thermostats range from basic models that simply allow you to adjust the temperature via an app, to high-end models from the popular Google Nest and Ecobee lines that attempt to learn your habits and routines in order to save you money or energy while maintaining a comfortable temperature in your home. When it comes to smart thermostats, one thing is certain: they can help most of you save money. Energy Star qualified smart thermostats save consumers an average of 8% on their electricity expenses. The key to energy savings is simple. Smart thermostats switch off the heat and air conditioner more frequently than normal thermostats without losing comfort. Smart thermostats may accomplish this by detecting when no one is at home, most often with motion sensors, or by monitoring the position of your phone. When the thermostat detects that your home is vacant, it will enter an energy-saving mode and reduce the temperature. It has the same effect as manually setting your thermostat when you leave the house. But smart thermostats do it automatically, so you don't have to remember to do it. Easy! Number 3. Upgrading your electrical system. Some electrical wiring issues are not dangerous, but they can be annoying, which makes them excellent options for side projects during a home makeover. Whether your electrical wiring is very old, or was put in within the previous decade, it might be outdated and in need of updates if it is causing problems. Most people neglect their home's electrical systems, at least until something goes wrong. When a home's electrical system breaks unexpectedly, people take notes and try to figure out how to restore it. However, hiring electricians' services to perform certain electrical modifications to your house sooner rather than later can pay off. One of the most essential reasons for this is the risk of fire. When electric system maintenance falls behind, there is a chance that frayed wires and other problems will cause a fire. One reason to improve your house's electrical system is to reduce the risk of fire. Qualified electrician services can evaluate your electrical system to discover and repair common electrical faults that might cause a fire. This can seem really into a broader home improvement project. And also, as you add more appliances, you'll be able to meet the power needs of new appliances by upgrading the electricals. Number 2, home automation and robotics. Now you might think that robotics is one of that expensive stuff in the house renovation. Well, it's not always that expensive. It's basically a smart home system that is compatible with a broad range of devices, many of which may be immediately linked with a digital voice control assistant. A good home improvement plan may include the use of sophisticated computer chips to regulate household components, such as window treatment and window or door access sensors, such as a smart garage door with built-in sensors, which are a few forms of detection motion sensors. Home security cameras can also be added. Installation of automation systems such as smart speakers can help you with this. Number 1, built-in speakers. Bluetooth speakers today may give you some excellent sound quality and a surprisingly immersive listening experience. If you have had enough of this and just want to shuffle your feet while you cook up another spag bowl, then pick a catchy name, because you'll have a built-in speaker in your ceilings. You may believe that all ceiling speakers are the same. After they're installed, they all appear very much the same. However, if you remove the speaker grill and peek behind the curtain, you'll see some real improvements that you should be aware of when selecting in-ceiling speakers for your home theater. Quality involved, or in-ceiling speakers provide several perks for a home system when properly fitted. Some pros to consider may include sound reflection, greater gains, a sleeker profile, and a more flexible layout design. If you invest in a high-quality in-wall or in-ceiling speaker, the benefits would really outweigh the costs. There are a variety of in-wall or in-ceiling speakers available nowadays. Before purchasing any speaker, it is important that you thoroughly examine the specifications and reviews. When it comes to in-wall or in-ceiling speakers though, you should invest in a system that is particularly developed for this sort of application. So, you should never attempt to install a standard home entertainment system into a wall. Basically, it was not built for this use and will definitely degrade the sound quality regardless of how you place it on your wall. Let me ask you, was that what you thought of in the first place? Well, don't do that, because you might be losing your money there. Anyways, keep these points in mind while renovating your house. Meanwhile, why don't you guys drop your thoughts on how well your house can be renovated? Any exclusive ideas? Do comment on what you think. Anyways, we'll meet again in another episode again.